If your computer is running slow, you can follow the next 4 steps in order to improve the performance of your computer. The first step is reboot your PC. When restarting, you're basically dumping out the junk and starting over again fresh. So please hit restart. In the second step, we need to look for some applications or processes that are running in the background of your operating system. To this, we need to go to the taskbar here, right click and left click in Start Task Manager. You will see a couple of tabs: Applications, Processes, Performance. In this tab you can see the CPU usage. This is an important indicator because if you are running a lot of applications at the same time or you get a virus, this indicator is going to go to 95% or 90%, which is not good. In the Applications tab, you will see which applications you're running right now in your computer. For example, I got Chrome, I got Microsoft Word. In the next tab, you will see a couple of processes related to those applications. For example, I got this WinWord process, which refers to Microsoft Word. I got these Chrome processes, which refer to Google Chrome. Sometimes you can see this kind of processes like uTorrent. I know this process because I used this application before in my computer, but I don't need it anymore, so there's no reason to keep this process. Since you can see this process is consuming my memory, so I don't want this. In order to uninstall this program, I need to go to the Start menu, then Control Panel, and look for Uninstall a program. When you're in, select the application that you want to uninstall and hit Uninstall, and you can proceed. It's gonna take some time, and then as you can see, we don't have more uTorrent. At this point, you can look for another applications that you're not using in your computer. You can just uninstall it, but be careful because sometimes you're going to see some applications related to Microsoft, or you have a couple of drivers installed in your computer, so please don't uninstall if you're not sure. If you're not sure, you can look for these applications in Google. So Google is going to tell you if these applications belongs to Microsoft, or is a kind of virus, or is just another junk in your computer, and you can uninstall it. Next thing we need to do is disable the unwanted software that automatically starts each time your computer boots. To this, we need to go to the Start menu again, type msconfig, click in that icon, and now we will see this group of tabs. Let's go to Startup. In this tab, I can see a list of those applications that run every time that my computer boots. So let's say, for example, this Synaptics Pro, this is a driver, is really important for my computer. I want this application, but I don't want this. This is search protection. I know this is malware, so how can I disable? I just need to uncheck, hit apply, and okay. So now I'm going to restart, and the next time that my computer boots, that application called search protection is not going to run anymore. After restarting your PC, we're ready for the third step. In this point, we're going to use this cleanup to remove unwanted and unnecessary files located in your PC. To this, we're going to go to the Start menu, then Computer, And as you can see, I have two drives. We're going to start with the first drive, right click, and then hit Properties. Okay, inside this cleanup, we need to wait for this a little bit. Now we got this result. So basically I'm going to check every group of files that I want to delete. I'm going to select all of them. The most important group of files is temporary internet files. Okay, it's because we can get a huge amount of data here, like 1 giga or 2 gigabytes of files. So after this we need to hit OK. Okay, I'm sure to delete these files. I can proceed, and this is gonna take a while, so be patient. Okay, that's it. Now click OK, and here we are in the computer tab, in the computer window. So now we can see that we have a big amount of free space, which is really good. Now we're ready for the fourth step. At this point we're going to try to fix some problems related to the hard disk drive. We're going to analyze and try to fix those problems. So let's go and right click on the local disk C, select Properties, then go to Tools, the Tools tab, and let's start with the first tool, error checking. Okay, so let's go and check now, and we need to check the second option and press Start. So basically Windows is telling us that it cannot proceed while the disk is in use, so we're going to schedule the disk check, select OK, and now we need to restart. So let's go and restart. After the checking process, we're going to use the next tool. So let's go to Computer again, right click in the local disk, select Properties, then Tools, and now let's go to Defragmentation. So this is important because in this way we can ensure that data is arranged in the best possible order. So click in Defragment now. So now in this window I can see my drives. So let's select the C disk, because Windows is located in the C disk. Let's go and press the fragment disk. So this is going to take some time, probably half an hour, 1 hour, or a couple of minutes, so be patient. When it's done, we're going to see this result, which says 0% fragmented, which is really good. Okay, so now let's go and close this tab, press OK, and that's it.